Documentaries bring us all together. The essence of actual life that one gleans from the assemblages of historical video, images, talking heads, pre-recorded audio, and sequences of physical expedition or ordinary daily duties is what most viewers gravitate toward when it comes to documentaries. In this video, we have put together our list of the 7 best documentaries. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload new videos. The first documentary on our list is For the Love of Spock. This documentary, directed in 2016 by Leonard Nimoy's son Adam Nimoy, examines the life of the legendary Star Trek actor, his career, and the impact of his position as the unabashedly logical science officer of the USS Enterprise pop culture. Beginning as a Star Trek anniversary project, For the Love of Spock evolves into a celebration of Nimoy's life beyond the bridge of a famous spaceship, combining classic onset and behind-the-scenes footage with interviews from Nimoy's original Trek castmates. Later, actors and creators influenced by him, including Zachary Quinto, played a younger Spock in the rebooted movie series. If you're a lover of Star Trek, then you should see this documentary. Mcqueen is the second documentary on our list of 7 best documentaries. This documentary is an intimate look back at the life and work of British fashion's infant Alexander Mcqueen, charting his climb from a self-described East End yob who uses a needle to the apex of the fashion business, all the way to his tragic death in 2010. In this 2018 classic, directors Ian Bonnout and Peter Atedgi offer a sensitive and heartfelt look at a once-in-a-generation talent, featuring archived interviews with Mcqueen himself, reflections from those who knew him best, and footage from his groundbreaking and often outrageous fashion shows. If you are a fashion lover, you should see this documentary. Up next on our list is the Sparks Brothers. The music band has mainly remained unnoticed for most of their 50-year career, even with 25 albums to show for it. The fantastic 2021 The Sparks Brothers, directed by Edgar Wright, looks at the whole history of Ron and Russell Male's pop-rock duet. Unlike most music documentaries that attempt to investigate the personal lives of their subjects, Wright's concentration is simply on the music. This next documentary on our list of 7 best documentaries is The Secret of Mona Lisa. The Mona Lisa painting is one of the most well-known portraits in art history. However, the subject of that portrait remains a mystery. The Secret of the Mona Lisa follows the trail of evidence accumulated since the Da Vinci masterpiece was originally displayed in 1503. It was directed by Klaus T. Stendhal in 2012 and is highly recommended for art lovers. It is a fascinating forensic voyage into the identity of an unfathomable subject. Apart from the Mona Lisa portrait, the tale of Leonardo da Vinci was also told in this documentary, the period in which he lived, his working methods, and the worth of his artistic manifestations. The 5th documentary on our list is When We Were Kings. When We Were Kings is an enthralling, Oscar-winning film. The documentary set out to record Muhammad Ali and George Foreman's legendary Rumble in the Jungle battle, but also captures the essence of a champion, activist, and once-in-a-lifetime man in the process. Leon Gast, David Zonenberg, and Taylor Hackford produced this masterpiece in 1996. Following at number 6 of our 7 best documentaries is Maradona. Asif Kapadia's latest documentary in 2019 is the 3rd installment in a loose trilogy of juvenile talent and the crushing weight of celebrity, which includes the critically acclaimed Senna and Amy. Although most people are aware of the story of the talented but controversial Argentine footballer, Kapadia focuses on Maradona's 7 seasons at the Italian team Napoli in the 1980s. The film follows Maradona as buffeted by tribalist football in mid-80s Italy and organized crime in Naples. But what do you think about this compilation? Do well to let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.